My outgoing Kubeflow PR. It got a small number of comments on it, so I figured it would be a good time to update it. And it's also out of sync with the master, so we'll go ahead and deal with that. Hair's all wet, and I'm a little late because I decided to take a shower. So we'll do the intro deck as an intro. Holden and Boo's super fun live streams. What are we going to do today? Kubeflow PR update. You can like, subscribe, and click the bell. Please, let's also add ask comments, ask questions, add comments, whatever. I'm Holden. My preferred pronouns are she or her, and I'm a developer advocate at Google. And in addition to I'm professionally, I'm trans, queer, Canadian, and part of the leather community. Okay, so with that, I'm going to go ahead and get started. Let's go find my Kubeflow PR. Okay, so it's going to go pull requests, author Holden, cool. Yeah, not ready for merge. Okay, cool. Okay, so questions. Well, Node is technically read-only. This is still decent practice. Do we need specific node information? If so, what? I'm wondering why we use ClusterRole instead of role. Non-blocking, because they don't care that much. Okay, so let's go and figure out the difference between ClusterRole and role, because my Kubernetes is not so good. Yeah. Yeah. Well, interesting. Let's go take a look. Add C permissions. ClusterRole. Yeah. Oh yeah, this says you can do whatever you want. Well, I'm not super sure. Let's go take a look at the Spark Kubernetes documentation, because I think it's the one which asks for a ClusterRole. Maybe it'll give us some guidance here. Kubernetes, okay. ClusterRole, okay. Oh, it says we can use role or ClusterRole. So the default example does create a ClusterRole binding, but it doesn't say that we couldn't do this with a role binding. That's interesting. That's the same link as before. Okay, well, let's, within a specific namespace. Operator ClusterRole. So we do have one specific namespace. Well, let's give it a shot, I guess. Why not? Of course, we'll have to test it and see if it works. Because that's just the way of panda magic. Although, actually, the first thing that I probably want to do is update it to master. Let's make sure. Yeah, okay, update it to master. So let's do that first. So, okay. Is this the Spark Shop branch? Oh, hey girl. I thought you'd already left.
No, not yet.
Okay.
Getting my stuff together.
Yeah.
No,
Another tool. Sorry.
maybe cookie.
Yeah. You're my wife.
You're my wife.
Probably.
Probably. Are you an alien?
I don't think that would do
steal
anything.
our vital fluids.
I like coffee.
That's a vital fluid.
Okay, bye.
Oh, there's so many things on the floor.
Yeah, I'll deal with them later. Love you too. Okay. Test. Oof. Okay. Oh, this is all it's on Spark, so we need to go into the Kubeflow directory so we can use Magit. Okay. Friend has my code that I left at another friend's place over the holidays. So okay. Think? Fuck. Oh, fuck, it's all this test deploy shit. What the three-way merge. Oh god. Okay, I think this is what we want. I don't know. Okay, get diff master test deploy. Does this look like we handled the merge right? Yeah, it doesn't look bad. Okay, cool. That's good. Alright, cool. So, update branch. Wait, this says cluster role and then kind of role. Fuck. What? Does this have a namespace associated with it? It has a namespace. Okay, so the job is using a cluster role. Right? Role binding. And the operator has a cluster role. Okay. Okay. Yeah, let's go take a look at the must include Spark. Well. I don't know. I'm not super sure why we would or would not want to do. So oh, this is okay, Spark operator. Spark, okay. So do I have this branch? I think I probably do. Nope, I don't. Do I have a fork of this? Whatever. I have a fork. Cool. And we'll go ahead, we'll add the other branch to it. Oh yeah, remote add. This creates a cluster role, all these things, and the cluster role binding. There's no discussion about cluster role versus what's this one do? What's this commit? I don't think that was intentional. Cool. basic integration tests, yeah. So, what's this one do here? Well, I don't know. So, ClusterRole versus role Kubernetes. Yeah. Okay. Well, maybe it's okay to do it as a role binding, but do I need a cluster role? Do I have to Kubernetes create namespace? Well, I guess really the only thing that I have to do is try, because I don't know what the hell's going on here. But that's okay. Okay, so let's go find this out. Oh, no. Kubeflow. And I do have a test, a janky test script that I use. So git diff master. And so what we're gonna do here, go find ClusterRole. Oh, wait, I think I know why. If we run the job in a different namespace than the operator, is that gonna go well? Can I run the job in a different namespace than the operator? Not super sure. Since the RBACs are based on the ones from the Spark operator project from GCP folks. I get is that if we wanted to support having jobs in different namespaces, we need the operator to have a cluster role. I'm not super sure. The RBAC commit, the RBAC file for the Spark operator is okay, somewhere inside of here. ClusterRole. What about if we look at the commit history on this? Is there anything interesting in here? Oh. Can look at these commits. Yeah. So let's see here. Yeah, this is a lot of permissions, cluster-wide. But IDK. Okay. Okay, yeah, this used to just get everything. Scope down. Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, because we might want to put the driver in a different namespace than our operator. That's my understanding. But I don't know for sure. So, let's add a single comment. So, okay, get status, testing Spark temp. Okay, yeah. Simple test.sh. Simple test.sh. Oh, interesting. Oh, we've changed it. Yeah, damn it. Is simple test.sh checked in? So this is now Kubeflow common. Kubeflow common. Common. God damn it. What? Oh. No, not the one that I want. Let's take a look at the versions of everything. Chaos validate. Test. Chaos validate. Chaos validate. We probably want to validate the GKE one. That came out fine. Validate default. What the fuck? Okay. Okay. So when does it fail? Oh. Nope. What the these error messages. Now I know how Spark developers feel. No matches for kind deployment and version apps v1. v1 alpha. That's, yeah. Spark application. So when does it, okay, so we init the repo, we create a namespace, we generate a component, and we apply the component. Now I run Spark Pi, and then everything works. What the fuck? Spark carburetor is running just fine. Oh, it's not running. Oh, well, okay. probably want to connect to GKE because we're actually configuring this to test against GKE right now. Let's not think about the cost of any of these things just for a little bit. Kubernetes engine, clusters. What are my clusters? Let's delete these clusters. I don't think we're using them. Let's make a Is there anything actually deployed on this review tools cluster? I don't. Wait, I do have that thing, but I'm not using it anymore. Yes, it's shut down. I don't need this one either. Okay. Create cluster. KF. Tests, US Central. Sure. That's kind of small. 15 gigs memory is probably fine. Is there... Yeah. That sounds good. Okay, 1.11.2. So let's go ahead and pick a one, whatever. Node auto provisioning. It's kind of small. Sure, why not? Okay. Make a cluster. Yeah, whatever. But in the meantime, like that looks like it's working just fine, right? Like the operator started. I mean, there's not enough resources for the job because it's hitting Minikube right now. But that's the thing that we had before didn't happen. Do I have that like .py file in here anywhere? Yeah, or the tests really. It's testing. So. Test deploy, Kubeflow Spark, deploy Spark job. Okay. I'm gonna find all the places test deploy, it's called. Yeah. Huh, that's weird. Okay, yeah, there we go. It's actually called through the testing workflows. Okay. Testing workflows. So there's the TF serving. Oops. JSON net. Okay, let's just Testing workflows. Oh, okay, there's a unit tests, components, unit tests. Kubeflow examples, tests, application tests, common tests. Okay, so this uses testing run with retry. Okay, here's an end-to-end DAG. What's this? Echo server util. Okay, goddammit. Oh, this is the rename Kubeflow core to Kubeflow common. That's just gonna just have a bunch of stuff in here which we don't really care about. So there's JSON.NET eval Kubeflow TF batch predict tests. TF batch predict test.jsonnet JPA. Okay, let's say we wanted to test to the same degree as what's this test deploy.py do? This project assumes that's an interesting to do. Maybe the README will tell us how to. Yep. No, I don't. Components. So echo server main test.py. Okay, is this the? This is the extent of the test. Okay. Open MPI controller. It doesn't have a test target. Controller. Oh, cool. Hey, can you share Google developer link to learn Python, Spark AI, SQL? I mean, there's a lot of different resources. I'm pretty biased. I think learning Spark and Spark the Complete Reference from O'Reilly are good books. But you know, it's hard to. Everyone chooses different things. My friend Denny is one of the co-authors of Learning PySpark. It's also a very good book. I was one of the tech reviewers for it. I think it's good too. Okay, open MPI controller. I don't. variables test. There's a TensorBoard test. I'm just trying to figure out where the hell this stuff is actually normally tested. I'm, for example, not seeing anything which is testing OpenMPI. Okay, or yeah. Oh, no. Okay. Like, is the OpenMPI stuff tested? I don't know. So Selden should probably be tested, would be my guess. No. Selden /grep-i test. No. I mean, we could maybe. That's no. So it seems like it's not really covered by anything meaningful. Okay. Like said, okay, connect to thing. Okay. Cool. Got a different cluster address configured now, so hopefully we'll actually run the job. Creating object, Spark operator is forbidden. Attempt to grant extra privileges. Let's go ahead and find this. I mean, we're not going to find anything with okay. Okay. Huh. What? kubectl. Okay, our cluster binding name is there is no. Oh. I forgot to do a kubectl. No, I did a kubectl. Yeah, okay, programmer boo. So these return all lowercase, yeah? Yeah, programmer boo. Oh, the current user I'm trying to create, maybe? Yeah. Okay. Simple test. Let's see if this one works. Oh wait, I probably need to kubectl proxy first. Oh wait, no, it looks like it went fine. So it looks like it makes the... So, okay. So if I run this test a second time, is it going to pass? Because... this is just going to make me really confused. Or not really confused. There's maybe... yeah... Okay. Merging object with existing state. No match is found for kind Spark application. So, oh. Okay, it's just a race condition. That's fine. That makes sense. Oh, cool. That's not great. Kubectl logs. What happened on my driver program? Oh, cool. Var log syslog does not exist. Okay. I don't know. Let's go into my storage. Our GCS public data sets. Let's use a public data set. Whoa. These are big. Probably. Let's not use these for test data. They're going to be... okay, cool. Let's... what other... oh, these are all BigQuery data sets now. That's a opportunity for improvement. Oh, no, I don't want to sign up for Google Cloud. I already have. Okay. Whatever. It's weird that there's no var log syslog on the machine. Oh wait, we're doing it, yeah, it's just, because we want this to op Spark. Or etc, yeah, no. Spark. S core common and varlog syslog to readme. Okay. Cool. Bounce that. And that'll hopefully do the trick. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah, and just for next time, hack to wait 5 seconds. Whatever. Not great, but it's better than me forgetting this next time. Okay. That being said, like I want to do this test properly, right? Like we have this test deploy. Okay. Testing workflows components. Workflows.libsonnet components. Oh, here we go. This is an end-to-end workflow. There's the like click deploy. Kubeflow testing. There's a okay, so this runs Kubeflow testing, run E2E workflow. So it's really the only workflow that we do. Kubeflow testing. Oh. Wait for Kubeflow. kubectl get operators. Oh. Is that a thing that I can get? No. Spark operator actually deployed. Spark operator. So where is wait for Kubeflow called from? Wait for Kubeflow. Workflows libsonnet. Okay. Oh wait, yeah. Workflows.libsonnet. Wait for wait, what? There's, goddamn it. Workflows, libsonnet components. God damn it. It just doesn't want to. So testing. Wait, what? Okay, testing. Workflows, components. Workflows.libsonnet. Wait for Kubeflow. Okay. So testing dot wait for Kubeflow, testing dot test deploy. Spark. Okay. Deploy PyTorch job. Deploy PyTorch. So this namespace artifacts deploy name test argo deploy. Oh, okay. Test deploy. Okay, here we go. And what we would do in here is Spark deploy testing deploy Spark job. Spark job. What are my arguments? Okay. I guess we want to give it an application resource and a main class of SparkPy. Right? Sounds like what we want to specify. Yeah, okay. Params equals application resource. Okay. Okay. I mean, maybe. Who knows? This could work. Wait for Kubeflow. Kubernetes get operators. How do I get the kubectl get operators? Kubectl get operators. How do I operator? Well, oh yeah, wait, no. There we go, yeah. this is the thing, and this is where we match up. Okay. Yeah. Spark. Job crypto. PyTorch. Operator. Okay, yeah. And so then... Weird. Oh. So deploy Kubeflow. So this is wait for Kubeflow. Deploy Kubeflow. PyTorch under. Okay, PyTorch. Operator. Okay, and there's no Spark operator in here. Nope, there's not. Okay. So we're going to generate a Spark operator, and we're going to call it Spark operator. Not super creative, but whatevs. Do I have to specify dash name? Okay. It seems like some boilerplate, but that's okay. Oh yeah, accepts. Spark operator deployment name. Race condition on first deployment. Okay. Try adding, start adding SparkPy to the workflow test SparkPy job. Okay, cool. Hopefully that'll run in CI and that'll be a party. Okay, cool. That's pretty reasonable progress. I think, yeah, actually, all things considered, I think that was okay-ish. It's not perfect, certainly. Oh yeah, sorry. I do check the comments every so often. It's just the overlay is broken. I'm really sorry. I should try and fix that. I might actually live stream trying to fix that. That might actually be a bad idea. Whatever, we'll see. Anyways, okay, cool. I'm gonna wrap that up. Thank you all for joining me today. Oh wait, I did my intro outro deck at the start. Okay, yeah, thank you everyone for joining me. Have a lovely day.